Are you tired of struggling with bulky suitcases or flimsy bags that just can't keep up with your adventures? Ever wondered which rolling duffel bag will truly stand the test of time and the airport conveyor belt? Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a cross-country road trip, or a long-haul flight, finding the right rolling duffel can make or break your travel experience. Today, I'm counting down the 6 best rolling duffel luggage bags you can buy, sharing my hands-on experiences with each one, and helping you discover which bag deserves that coveted spot by your side on your next journey. Number 6. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. The Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is a familiar sight in airports and bus stations, and for good reason. It's affordable, comes in a dizzying array of colors, and offers a spacious interior that can handle a surprising amount of gear. When I first tested this bag, I was impressed by its roomy main compartment and the convenience of its multiple exterior pockets, which made organizing travel essentials a breeze. The inline skate wheels and retractable handle allowed for smooth rolling through crowded terminals, and the polyester construction felt sturdy enough for weekend trips. However, after a few uses, some drawbacks became apparent. The wheels, while initially smooth, began to show signs of wear, especially after being dragged over rougher surfaces. I also noticed that the zippers, though heavy-duty at first glance, weren't as robust as I'd hoped. One even snagged and broke after a particularly full packing job. Another issue was the strong chemical smell when the bag was new. It took several days of airing out before it became tolerable. And while the bag's fabric is lightweight, it's not the most durable. After a couple of trips, I saw some fraying around the seams and near the wheels, especially when the bag was packed to capacity. In short, the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag is best suited for occasional travelers or those who need a budget-friendly option for light use. If you're planning frequent or rugged trips, you might want to consider something more robust. 5. Travelers Club Travel Rolling Duffel Bag. Next up is the Travelers Club Travel Rolling Duffel Bag, a model that immediately stands out for its impressive 77-liter capacity and lightweight design. I found it easy to pack for longer trips, and the multiple pockets kept my belongings organized and accessible. The upright rolling design and top rear handles made maneuvering through airports and hotels straightforward, and the polyester material felt durable enough for most travel scenarios. Yet the Travelers Club bag isn't without its issues. While rolling it on smooth airport floors was a breeze, the small wheels struggled on rougher terrain, and I had to carry the bag more often than I'd like when navigating uneven sidewalks or gravel. The zippers, though functional, were a bit stiff out of the box and required some breaking in. After a few trips, I noticed some wear on the wheels and fabric, especially after rough handling by baggage handlers. This bag simply doesn't have the premium feel or long-term durability of higher-end models, and I'd hesitate to recommend it for frequent flyers or those who need a bag that can withstand constant abuse. That said, for the price, it's a solid value, perfect for occasional travelers, road trips, or as a backup bag for overflow items. Number 4. Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Wheels. Moving up the list, the Pacific Gear Rolling Duffel Bag strikes a balance between style, durability, and smart design. Right away, I appreciated the brushed polyester exterior, which gave the bag a sophisticated look and a sturdy feel. The recessed wheel system and retractable handle made it easy to glide through terminals, and I found the large U-shaped top opening incredibly helpful for packing bulkier items like jackets or boots. During my testing, the Pacific Gear bag held up well to the rigors of travel. The rubber feet and riveted runners protected the bottom and sides from scuffs, while the side and front zippered pockets kept my smaller essentials within easy reach. The bag size is generous without being unwieldy, and the lightweight construction means you're not wasting precious weight allowance on the bag itself. I did wish for a few more internal compartments. Separate shoe storage would have been a nice touch, but overall, the spacious main compartment made up for it. Most importantly, the wheels performed admirably, even on uneven terrain, though some users have reported mixed experiences with wheel durability over time. For the average traveler, though, this bag offers a great mix of value, style, and functionality. 3. REDCAMP Foldable Duffel Bag with Wheels. If versatility and storage flexibility are your priorities, the REDCAMP Foldable Duffel Bag with Wheels is a serious contender. Available in 85 liters and 120 liter capacities, this bag is surprisingly lightweight for its size, making it easy to maneuver even when fully packed. I was particularly impressed by how neatly the bag folds up for storage, a huge plus for anyone short on closet space or who needs an extra bag for souvenirs on the return trip. On the road, the REDCAMP bag proved itself as a reliable travel companion. The heavy-duty zippers and reinforced seams gave me confidence that it could handle heavy loads without splitting open, and the multiple handles made it easy to lift in and out of car trunks or overhead bins. The inline wheels rolled smoothly over most surfaces, and the bag's overall build quality felt solid for the price. There are a couple of minor drawbacks. The bag can get a bit lumpy if not packed carefully, and while the wheels are sturdy, they're not designed for rough terrain. Also, the lack of rigid structure means it can sag when not fully packed, but this is a trade-off for its lightweight, foldable design. For travelers who need a spacious, versatile, and affordable rolling duffel, REDCAMP delivers excellent value. 2. Mountain Land Tactical Duffel Bag. For those who demand toughness and tactical features, the Mountain Land Tactical Duffel Bag is a standout performer. From the moment I picked it up, the heavy-duty construction was obvious. Thick, abrasion-resistant material, reinforced stitching, and rugged zippers all signal a bag built for serious use. The bag's massive capacity makes it ideal for extended trips, expeditions, or hauling gear for outdoor adventures. What really sets the Mountain Land bag apart is its versatility. Multiple grab handles and compression straps make it easy to secure and carry, whether you're rolling it through the airport or loading it onto a truck. The wheels are large and robust, handling uneven terrain and heavy loads with ease. I appreciated the thoughtful touches, like separate compartments for shoes or dirty laundry, and the MOLLE webbing for attaching extra gear. Even after repeated use, the bag showed minimal wear, a testament to its durability. While it's heavier than some other options, that extra weight is the price you pay for ruggedness and reliability. If you're an adventure traveler, camper, or need a bag that can handle anything you throw at it, the Mountain Land Tactical Duffel Bag is hard to beat. 1. Heliar Rolling Duffel Bag. Topping the list is the Heliar Rolling Duffel Bag, a true all-rounder that excels in every category that matters. The first thing I noticed was the premium 1600D waterproof PVC fabric, which shrugged off rain, spills, and abrasion with ease 10. This bag stands upright even when partially packed, making loading and unloading a breeze, a feature I found invaluable when organizing gear on the go. The Heliar bag's 5 handles provide unmatched flexibility for lifting, dragging, or carrying the bag in tight spaces, and the large diameter wheels glide effortlessly over cobblestones, gravel, and airport floors alike. Compression straps keep your belongings secure and compact, while the spacious 100-liter main compartment swallows everything from clothes to camping gear. I especially appreciated the thoughtful organizational features. Plenty of pockets for small items, and a design that balances structure with flexibility. Even after heavy use, the bag looked and performed like new, with no signs of wear or wheel issues. For anyone who wants a rolling duffel that combines durability, capacity, and smart design, the Heliar Rolling Duffel Bag is my top recommendation. Final thought. So which rolling duffel bag is right for you? If you're a casual traveler or on a tight budget, the Rockland or Travelers Club bags will do the job, but be aware of their limitations. For those seeking more durability and thoughtful design, Pacific Gear and REDCAMP offer excellent value. But if you need a bag that can handle anything, from expeditions to long-haul flights, Mountain Land and Heliar are the clear winners, with Heliar taking the crown for its unbeatable combination of toughness, for convenience, and all-terrain performance.